Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the logical operator precedence in JavaScript. Okay. So here what I have done, I have written down some code. Okay. So x equals to 5 and then inside of the console log, we have x equals to 5 checking, then or x equals to 7 checking, and then and if x is greater than 10. Okay. So what do you think? What is the answer of this particular expression? Okay. So you might guessed like, hey, okay, so it will go from left to right. First of all, what will happen? So x equals to 5, that is true. Okay, that is true here. And then we have the or x equals to 7, which will be false. Okay, that is valid. So what will happen is that here true or false, that will be true. Okay, that will be evaluated as true because only one of them is true, so that is true. So the whole thing is true, and then we will have the and then if x is greater than 10, no, it is not, so that will be this one, right? So true and false. Okay, so ultimately that will evaluate as false. Okay, the whole expression should evaluate as false. But if I just save that, as you can see, we are getting true and prettier is doing its job. So as you can see here, these parentheses are now present here. Why is that? So as you can see, these parentheses are present here. It is to indicate like, hey, inside of JavaScript, first of all, the not operator will take precedence over the and operator, and then that and operator will take precedence over the or operator. So basically this particular expression will be evaluated first. Okay, so let's do that in action. So x equals to 7, that is false, and then we have, okay, false, and then x greater than 10, no, it is not, that will be also false. Okay, so false and false will be false. Okay, and then what will happen? This will happen. So x equals to 5, that is true. Okay, and then true or false, that will be true at the end, and that is why we are getting true here. So the order of operation matters. Okay, and that is why prettier is indicating like, hey, this particular thing will be done first. And now you might be thinking like, hey, how I can remember this order of operations? I know this is a little bit confusing, but it will be very, very natural to you when you will write more code in JavaScript. Okay, and one other thing which I want to point out here is that this particular website, operator precedence. So here inside of MDN, as you can see, if I just scroll down a little bit, there is a table, which is a very nice table. As you can see, this particular thing, the grouping or the parentheses take precedence number 1 basically, and then we have some other ones and so on and so forth. And then if we just go down a little bit, as you can see, these ones are here as well. These are operators as well. And now, as you can see, we have the and then we have the or operator. Okay, and then we should have the not somewhere here. Okay, this is the logical not. So logical not is more preferred than the and then the and is more preferred than the or operator. Okay, and also that makes sense, right? Because as you can see, if I just do something like this and do something like this, as you can see, these things, the equals, this is the operator as well, this is the equality operator, these are evaluated before we are comparing with this logical operators, right? So that is why these things, these operators or these operations basically are more preferred, and this happens before we compare logically some other things as well. Okay, now how you can change the order of operations? We can change that by using the parentheses. Okay, so if we group that here and here as well, If I just save that now, as you can see, we are getting false. Okay. So whenever you want to do some sort of logical operations, don't hesitate to add groupings or don't hesitate to add parentheses inside of the logical operations which you are doing right now. Okay. Awesome. So this is quite nice. Okay. So this is the logical operator precedence in JavaScript. Okay. Remember, not, then and, then or. Okay. Awesome.